You may have already seen many animations on social media or YouTube which are amazing and eye-catching. The first time I encountered whiteboard animation, I was amazed. This type of animation, in addition to being attractive and spectacular, is also very easy to create, and one of its best features is the ability to generate income. By creating quality whiteboard animation and engaging storytelling, you can earn money through YouTube. Your channel can become a great source of passive income. If you are ready, without wasting any more time, let's go to the program and make videos. I really wanted to make more videos about money-making tips for you, but I didn't get much support, and I'm working too hard on my videos to prepare for you. To create seamless 2D animations, there are various tools that can help you. One such tool is Mango WM, with which you can create high-quality whiteboard animations. You can also create animated characters with the Mango CM tool. For creating text animations, the U tool is the best option. And finally, with the Mango PM tool, you can create animated presentations that can be turned into engaging videos. Now let's take a look at making a whiteboard animation. First, enter the Product tab and select Whiteboard Animation Maker. If you can afford to buy the professional version, you can take advantage of its additional features. But today, I will be using the free version. Click the free download button to get started. The app is now downloaded. Go through the installation process like any other program. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. Now you are ready to create your first whiteboard animation. With the powerful tools at your disposal, you can create attractive and eye-catching videos that will not only amaze your audience, but can also become a sustainable source of income for you. Let's start this exciting journey and create your first animation. Let's create an attractive whiteboard animation together. First, browse all the tools in the timeline section. Here you can add a new background or customize an existing background. You can also create effects on text or objects like handwriting with the camera effect tool. Then use the action tool to set actions for your objects. At the top of the preview panel, you'll find home and some other tools for creating a new project and configuring and publishing the project. On the right, you'll find a vast library of media including images, text, shapes, decorations, and sound effects. You can also upload your own media. Let's start by making a whiteboard animation. First, choose your story. For example, I'm going to make an explanatory video about dinosaurs. I take information from Wikipedia and summarize it using Google Bard. Our story is ready. Now we create our voice for the story using artificial intelligence. You can use your own voice or generate an artificial intelligence voice using a tool like Jenny AI. To create an AI voice, first go to Jenny AI and create a new account. Then select the Simple Mode project and click Create. Copy your script from the document and paste it into Jenny AI. You can select your desired voice artist and then hit the Generate button. After the process completes, export the audio clip. Our audio is ready. Let's upload it to Mango WM. Go to the Mango dashboard, select the Sound tab, and click on ADD Local Sound. Upload the sound produced by Jenny and add it to the timeline. Now it's time to illustrate the story. The first line of our story is, "Hello friends." Add a man to the Image tab and then select a businessman. Insert him into the canvas and adjust his size and position. Choose the handwriting effect to customize. I will use the hands-free effect. Then enter the text, "Hello friends," and place the cursor to set the time of entering the text. After half a second from the start, enter the text. To add dinosaurs, go to the Image tab and search for the dinosaur image you want. If you don't like the image, you can upload your own image. After uploading the image, adjust its position and size and add design effect to it. Our first slide is now complete. To create the second slide, erase all elements and objects from the canvas and apply erase effects. Adjust the length of the object at the end of the scene and click the plus icon. Here are some eraser effects available for pro users, but I'll use the screen rotation effect for free users. With these methods, you can create attractive and professional animations that will captivate your audience and generate income. Now let's continue this exciting journey and complete our amazing video. After adding the erase effect, if adjusting the length of the effect on the text layer doesn't work, you can copy and paste the erase effect into the same area of the text. Now, let's add the second layer. To add a second scene, first add a dinosaur image. You can search image in Recent tab and find recently used images. After inserting the image, add a text box and enter the text narration in it. After inserting the text, you can customize the color, font size, and alignment of the text. After setting everything in the second scene, add the wipe effect. By following these steps and taking the time to edit, you will be able to create a great whiteboard animation. When your editing is finished and the animation is complete, click the Publish button to export the video. Choose a format that you can export as a video or GIF file. In free mode, video resolution will be 576p. I select the video format as MP4. After the final settings, click the Publish button. It may take some time for the video to render and be ready. This way, you can create amazing whiteboard animations and start your YouTube journey. Dear friends, I am now wrapping up my video. In advance, I'd love to hear about your experience creating whiteboard animations with WM Mango. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next meeting, be happy and successful.